Holding on to something is believing that there is only a past, and letting go something is knowing that there is a future. There is nothing wrong with trying to hold on, and there is nothing wrong with letting something go. However, the trick here is deciding which one is best for you. In the process of letting go, you will lose many things from the past, but be assured you will find yourself. Friends, it takes a lot more courage to let something go than it does to hang on to it, trying to make it better. Letting go doesn't mean ignoring a situation. Letting go means accepting what it is, exactly as it is, and without any fear, resistance, or a struggle for control. There is a big difference between giving up and starting over in the right direction. Know when enough is enough already, and respect yourself for feeling that way. Sometimes we have to say goodbye before we can say hello. Sometimes we have to let go to move forward with our lives. Never use your yesterday's failure as an excuse for not trying again today. We may not be able to undo damages, but we can always make a new start. To help yourself, you must be yourself. Be the best that you can be. When you make a mistake, learn from it, pick yourself up, and just move on. So, what's something from your past that you are thankful you gave up on, and why? Think on it till the time I come back again with the day 19 prompt to your journey to self-reflection and self-improvement. Have a fantastic day and Jai Hind.